The concession activity return template for Beehives will be emailed to you in a reminder, letting you know your activity return is due. The template is designed for use on a desktop laptop using Microsoft Excel. If you're using an iPad, check out the training resource at the end of the video. The template will be attached in your email. To begin, download the template. Click Enable Editing, then File, Save As. We have already named the file, so it is specific to you in the reporting period and meets our naming requirements. Put the template somewhere you can find it, such as your desktop. Make sure you save it as an Excel workbook. This is the only file format acceptable. Click Save. We will now work through an example. Permission number, concession holder name, activity return start date, activity return end date will all be pre-populated with your specific data. Location ID, location description, X and Y coordinates are also pre-populated based on your contract specifications. This data cannot be changed. If there is an error in location description, please let us know in the email when you submit your return. Work through each line to fill in the details. To enter data, just click on the cell. If the hives are permanently on site, the start date and end date is the same as the reporting period. Honey type should only be stated as Manuka or non-Manuka. Select from the drop-down option. Yield is reported in kilograms. Yield must be provided if your contract states that yield information is needed. Number of hives. Please record the number of hives at each location. Fee per hive. This varies depending on the honey type. Details will be in your contract. Total dollars. In most cases this will self-populate based on the data you have entered. Continue to enter data until all fields are complete. If hives were not placed at a specific site, please select from the drop-down options. In this situation, just enter the number of hives as 0. No other data is required. If you have other locations where hives are positioned, please add them into the template. When adding X and Y coordinates, make sure they are presented as GPS standard NZTM. Once you are happy with the data entered, save it to your device. Open the email activity return reminder that was emailed to you. Click Reply and attach the completed activity return. If you have anything else you want to tell us or ask us about, please note it in the email and press Send. Doc will check the data against your contract and generate an invoice for you to pay. If you have nil activity to report for all your Beehive sites, open the email activity return reminder that was emailed to you, click Reply, update the subject line, and in the body of the email include your permission number, activity return period start and end dates, and state you have nil activity to report. Please add a brief explanation as to why you have nil activity for your return. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about your activity return, call us on 0800 555 688 or email us. Check out the user guide for more details. If using an iPad to fill in the template, watch the training videos for Excel on iPad. Thank you.